Today is 374 days that I come here to share lessons that I learn and I'm learning, and I hope those lessons will support your dreams, your goals, and allow you to become the person that you want to become. Today we'll share a lesson about how to make better decisions. I truly believe that this lesson, how to make better decisions, is one of the most important lessons of all. Because when you think about where you are at the moment, is based on all the decisions you made so far. So that means if you want to change where you are, of course you want to start making better decisions, because better decisions lead to better lifestyle, better life. Today I was listening to a seminar by John C. Maxwell, and he was sharing a lesson about how to take personal responsibility. And part of the lesson he shared how to make better decisions and how he makes better decisions. And I will share 4 questions that he taught me. I will share with you as well, because I truly believe that those 4 questions to ask is really very helpful how to make better decisions. So first question is, what do I feel? So that means a lot of times when you make a mistake, when you need to make a decision, there's a lot of emotions attached and a lot of feelings attached to that experience. So that means you need to ask, what do I feel? And of course, a lot of times people stop there and they make decisions based on their feeling. And of course, because they make just on their feelings, that decision is incomplete and it leads to the wrong decisions. Now, second question is, what do I know? That means that requires to ask, okay, what kind of facts do I have? What kind of experience do I have? Because it could be that that emotion says one thing, but fact says different thing. For example, if you succeeded 99 times and you failed once, so that means that you could feel when you fail that you are a failure, but fact says that you succeeded 99 times, but failed once. So that means you're not able to say that you are a failure because you failed only once. That means you need to understand that there could be a huge difference between the emotion and the knowledge. Now, number 3 question is, what do I think? And this is very important because you need to always reflect on your emotions, reflect on your knowledge, and bridge the gap between, okay, what do you feel and what knowledge says to me. So that means when you reflect on both of them, you're able to bridge the gap, bring them together, and of course, you're able to make better decisions when you are reflecting on all your experiences, on all your emotions. Because both emotion and both knowledge could bring you a lot of great benefits. Now, number 4, and the last question is, what do I do? That means, of course, it's good to reflect on your emotions. It's good to reflect on your knowledge. It's good to reflect on your thinking and think about all the things that you're feeling. So that means the last question is, what kind of action steps do I need to take to move forward? Because of course, if you don't take action, you will never succeed. So I really love one analogy or saying that there was 5 frogs sitting on a log, and 4 of them decided to jump to the water. How many frogs are still sitting on the log? And most people say, okay, that's 5 minus 4 is 1, but no. Like if there's one more time, I will repeat what I said. 5 frogs sitting on a log. 4 frogs decided to jump to the water. How many frogs sitting on the log? And the answer is 5, because 4 frogs decided to jump in, but they never jumped. So that means, of course, you're able to decide, but until you make action, until you decide what you want to do, you will never succeed in life. So that means those 4 questions really allow us to make better decisions. Today was the first day when I learned those 4 questions, but I truly believe that I will implement those 4 questions in my own decision-making process. So those 4 questions are, what do I feel? Second is, what do I know? Third was, what do I think? And 4 is, what do I do? I hope those questions will support your decision-making, and I hope you will choose to win, and see you tomorrow.